Hello, this is Dr. Shevchenko from Smiles by the Sea Family Dentistry in Hampton, New Hampshire. And in this video, I'm going to help address some common fears in dentistry. What if I'm scared of the pain during a dental procedure? It is a totally valid fear, concern that we're going to address today. And I do get that a lot because I am treating patients. So there are so many different ways nowadays to address. The best thing is that when I am speaking with the patient, I am finding out, asking them questions, what their experience was before, and finding out what was the reason for that, and then I'm helping them address that, like through various ways, that whether it's increasing their comfort or giving them an anesthesia type which is going to alleviate their pain or not even give them any pain. So a lot of reassuring and finding out what is the reason, what was the reason before, if you had any of that kind of experiences. So really holding your hand during the procedure, providing you comfort, and just being there with you during the procedure to help you make sure that you're not in any pain. What can I do if I have dental anxiety before my appointment or when I come in for my appointment? So one of the main things is that, when we are planning treatment plan for you or when we are having a discussion about the treatment, communication is the key, making sure that, you're communicating. If you're seeing me as a dentist or if you have a dentist you're seeing, main thing is that you're communicating that with the dentist. So I know, what is that regarding, where it's coming from, what is it related to. So there are so many different ways that I can help you. I have helped patients and I can help you as well too, breaking it down. So making sure that, we are addressing it depending on what is the level of that anxiety you have and what it is related to. So really making sure that I'm explaining you everything, every step of the way, if that is related to a procedure, and you are in the know that what is happening and you are being involved, almost working as a team together. So you know what is happening every step of the way during the procedure or even before the procedure or after the procedure. So you don't have to be anxious about it and you're totally aware of it, how it's going to happen, what should I expect before, what should I expect during the appointment time, and what should I expect after. So there are many different ways, but main thing is that communicating so that way I know that this is what is creating it and how can we handle it and help you handle that anxiety. What if I haven't been to the dentist for a long time and I feel embarrassed? So here's what I would say. I certainly, can understand that how as a human being you might be feeling, but look at this way. I went to school to become a dentist, to become a doctor, to help patients. So my goal is to help you. So no need, I totally understand your feeling, but I would recommend you not even thinking of that because you're coming to get help, coming to get healthy. So there are no judgments whatsoever in our practice that whether you go to the dentist every 6 months, 4 months, 3 months, or you haven't been to the dentist for whatever number of years might be. And also we know life can get in the way. We are human beings. There's lot of things happening in our life. So no need to worry about that. Please don't be judgmental about your own self. No need to be embarrassed because that's what we are there for. We are doctors, dentists. We are there to help you. As I said before, that's why I went to school because it's my passion. I love helping patients. So no need to worry. Come talk to me, communicate to me, let me know what your goals are for your mouth. I understand you didn't go to the dentist, totally fine, but you are taking that right step to making a phone call, making an appointment, coming to the appointment. So please don't be embarrassed about it. We are there to help you and we're going to help you all the way to get healthy. So just come and talk to me. Let me know what your goals are and I'm there to help you. What if I gag easily during the treatment? Like what do we do about that? So the answer to that concern or question is there are so many ways that, nowadays that we can make you comfortable. You don't have to worry about that. There are solutions to that you will not even know. I have treated many patients who thought like they can't even brush their teeth when they're home, they gag. And when I'm treating them, because there are different ways that I can manage that gag reflex or the reflex they have for gagging, and they're amazed. They'll sit up after the treatment and they're saying like, wow, I didn't even gag, I didn't feel anything, because there are ways to manage that. So the best thing is just communicate with me and we will find a way, manage the gag reflex very well so you can get your treatment done and get healthy. What I'm afraid of needles. So there are lots of patients who are afraid of needles. It's not a fun thing. Nobody wants to have needles or drills in their mouth. It's a normal human reaction. And many of us might have more than the others. So the best thing is communicate, let me know that this is something that you don't like or you have anxiety about or you're afraid of. So I will help you, holding your hand and giving you recommendations and help you manage that fear or anxiety or afraid that you're off the needles. And one thing that works very beautifully is that we use a numbing gel to numb that area. So a lot of times you don't even feel that you got a needle. I hear that from patients a lot. That kind of numbing gel that I personally use on my patients is that they don't even feel that they got the needle. They are asking me after, like, did you give me the shot already? Yes, I did. And they didn't even feel it. So best thing is just let me know and I will help you not feel it. What if I'm worried that something will go wrong during the treatment? Nowadays, with the modern technology we have and the ability to diagnose and see things, when we are diagnosing and when we are predicting and treatment planning the case, rarely something happens like that. And also, one other thing is that, when I will be giving the treatment plan, we're going to be looking at your tooth or multiple teeth, whichever the case it is. I will explain you very thoroughly that what the treatment is that we are going to be performing, all the steps of the treatment, and if there's anything that I expect that potentially could, go in a different route, you will be very well prepared from beforehand by me explaining you that these are the potentials that something could happen and this is how we're going to address it. So you're going to go to the appointment very well prepared and knowing. And these things nowadays, I said before, happen rarely because we are using modern technology. We have beautiful equipment that we use, very accurate, very precise, and the techniques we use. So not to worry about that. I hope I was able to answer and address some of the questions about common fears in dentistry. And if you still have any questions, please feel free to visit our website and you can find some info there. That is www.smilesbythecnh.com, or feel free to give us a call. We would be happy to help you and help you answer by coming into the office, doing a consultation. The number is 603-926-8827. We are here to help you. It's a modern world. We can do beautiful treatments without any worries, without any anxiety. So give us a call. I'm happy to help you.